Been getting this check engine light code for a P0521. It comes back to the oil pressure sensor. So I'm gonna give it a shot and see if that fixes it. So what I'm gonna end up doing is replacing the oil pressure sensor and filter. Picked one up from Amazon for like $60 for the SS. Comes with the sensor, new filter. This is the sensor connector. I'm gonna clip that and just pull on this tab right. Just pull on this tab right here. Comes out. Looks like somebody broke the clip on this and they have to solder in or whatever this new harness. But the sensor is right in between the intake manifold. So what I used to loosen it was a 27mm. Got the filter out, just used some needle nose, got it out. Doesn't look like it was clogged too bad. You can see some particles on it. Like I said, I just got the car. I plan on getting an oil change anyways, as you can see. The sensor does kind of look like it was replaced. But we're gonna just go ahead and throw the new one in. There you go, snapped in. Sensor's right down in there. New sensor's in, you don't want to over tighten it, just enough so it's snug. Connected the plug back in, yeah, that's about it. So I'm just gonna let the car run for a little bit, make sure it's not leaking, and then take it out for a test drive.